and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading mixed in the beginning of the week as the pressure from elevated inflation level in the US, earnings release and recession concerns continue to weigh the overall market sentiment. Bitcoin dropped below $27,500 mark. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.2% at 37,970 points. This week, the US gross domestic product figures for the first quarter of 2023 will be released. The latest announcement, GDP figures for the December quarter missed the market expectations and impacted the global market sentiments. However, analysts expect GDP data to come in at 2% for the first quarter of 2023 versus previous year fourth quarter GDP data at 2.6%. In an interesting news, Gemini Foundation, a non-US cryptocurrency derivatives platform, has been launched by Gemini, the cryptocurrency exchange founded and run by the Winklevoss twins. The Gemini Foundation's initial offerings will be based on Gemini dollars, the exchange's exclusive stablecoin, and they will be used to settle Bitcoin perpetual contracts. Similar contracts based on Ethereum are anticipated to be released soon. However, one of the most important announcements is scheduled to be released at the end of the week as the Bureau of Economic Analysis will publish core personal consumption expenditures for the month of March. Market participants expect an unchanged month-on-month increase of 0.3% and 4.5% increase on an annualized basis, down from 4.6% last month, analysts said. If core PCE turns out higher, it will be bearish and likely weigh on the crypto market. After combating the pandemic-induced economic issues with aggressive quantitative easing, interest rates hike are now being introduced to combat high inflation. Investors will also focus on these fresh economic data, which will provide insight into whether inflation is cooling or the Federal Reserve will announce further rate hike in its next meeting, which is scheduled in the early week of May. Stock futures dropped as investors awaited a slew of corporate earnings from big tech companies as well as fresh economic data releases. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures fell by 89 points or 0.3%. S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 futures dipped 0.3% and 0.4% respectively. Bitcoin was trading at $27,445, down 0.4%. According to data from TradingView, Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, fell around 8% in the past 7 days, indicating its largest single-week loss since early November. However, Bitcoin registered selling pressure in the past week as the US dollar liquidity declined and bond yields rose, analysts said. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 1%, trading at $1,848. The latest Ethereum Shanghai upgrade has spurred institutional investors' interest in staking. Ethereum staking service providers have already recorded about 3 times larger inflows in April compared to all of last month. However, around 80% of the inflows took place after the Shanghai upgrade went live on April 12th, analysts said. BNB was down by 0.1% to trade at $330. Solana SOL was down 1.7% and was trading at $21.6. Cardano's ADA token was down by 0.6% to trade at $0.38. The wrapped Bitcoin token has recently been launched on the Cardano testnet in an effort to attract users of Bitcoin to the developing Cardano decentralized finance ecosystem. However, users can now mint CBTC tokens from the Inita BTC protocol and utilize the tokens to fund, trade, or provide liquidity to Cardano testnet protocols. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $16.9, lower 1.3%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 2.5% to trade at $0.9. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 1.2% at $0.079. Shiba Inu was trading down by 1%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.46, down by 0.4%. However, Polkadot was up by 0.1% to trade at $5.9. That's all in Coin Monitor for now. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3.0 TV and have a great day. On Sunday, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman emphasized the importance of global consensus in regulating crypto assets. She stated at a series of events in Bengaluru that any kind of regulation on crypto assets would require the consent of every nation, otherwise it would be ineffective. Sitharaman said that as part of its G20 presidency, India has prioritized crypto asset regulation for this year. The IMF published a paper on cryptocurrency and its impact on macroeconomic stability. The Financial Stability Board, which was set up by G20, has agreed to give a report that will also focus on financial stability, Sitharaman said. The Finance Minister said that the reports of both FSB and IMF will be discussed in July when finance ministers and central bank governors will meet under the G20 umbrella. The system underlying the creation and circulation of Russia's CBDC may be compatible with other countries' digital legal tenders, according to representatives of Russia's monetary policy regulator this week. Speaking with Russian lawmakers, central bank officials stated that the matter is still being worked out, but that various models for interaction between the digital ruble and other CBDCs are being developed. The alternatives include establishing two-way integration with each of the other CBDC platforms or launching an international digital platform that would allow multiple issuers' digital currency to interact at the same time. Hangzhou, a city in Jiangsu province, China, has announced that starting in May 2023, civil servants will be paid in digital RMB or digital yuan. The move is part of the Chinese government CBDC adoption push, which has had mixed results thus far. While some cities such as Hangzhou have been a significant increase in CBDC adoption, others such as Hong Kong have been slower to accept the digital currency. The Hangzhou Local Financial Supervision Bureau and the Hangzhou Municipal Bureau of Finance issued a notice stating that civil servants at all levels in the city, including public service personnel, public institution personnel, and the personnel of state-owned units, will be paid in digital yuan. Local Hangzhou hospital staff also confirmed that they will begin receiving digital yuan payments next month with the option to settle in digital yuan through self-service terminals. Hangzhou, another Chinese city, has seen significant CBDC adoption with over 420,000 merchants accepting digital yuan payments. According to city officials, the city has 22 million digital yuan wallets and 800,000 public wallets have been opened for use by Hangzhou-based firms and government organizations. In the upcoming special segment on NFTs, we will update you about the following news. Rareo unveils digital collectibles in honor of Master Blaster Sachin Tendulkar's 50th birthday celebration. Bored Apes CryptoPunks fall below $100,000 as NFT momentum stalls. Square Enix moves deeper into Web3 gaming with latest partnership. Stay tuned for more updates. We will keep you connected to the evolving world of NFT.
For accurate and latest updates of cryptocurrency markets and global regulations.
Metaverse and Web3.
3.0 TV covers the latest crypto crimes.
Keeps you updated about the global crypto events and exhibitions.